In this video, I'm about to show you how to fix error 0x00007b. The application was unable to start correctly error on Windows. First, open the Start menu and search for Control Panel, then open it. Now click on Programs, then select Turn Windows Features on or off. In this Windows, find .NET Framework 3.5, check the box next to it and click OK. Wait while Windows searches for the required files. When prompted, click on Let Windows Update download the files for you and wait for the installation to complete. Next, open this PC and go to Local TC. Now, open the Windows folder and go to System32. Search for xinput1_3.dll, right-click on it and select Delete. Next, click Continue if prompted. Then, go back to the Windows folder and open SYS_WOW64. Search for xinput1_3.dll again, right-click on it and delete it. Now go back to your desktop, right-click anywhere and select Refresh. After that, open Google Chrome and search for DirectX download. Click on the first link, then click Download. Once the file is downloaded, click on the arrow icon in the top right corner and open the installer. Accept the agreement and click Next. Then, click Next again and wait for the installation to complete. Once it's done, click Finish. This should fix the 0x00007b application unable to start correctly error. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.